friends, it's Miss Emma here for another Off We Grow story time. And this is our last week of story time for the year, which is really sad, but we're gonna have lots of fun today. But do you notice who's not here with me? That's right, it's Norman. So we need to call for Norman one more time, okay? 1, 2, 3. Norman! Here is Norman the Narwhal, and he is here to tell you that our theme for story time this week is being thankful. So we're gonna have a story time all about being thankful and some fun foods you might eat for Thanksgiving and all sorts of fun stuff. So Norman, are you ready to get started? Okay, let's go. Okay, now it's time to do our first action rhyme. And this action rhyme is about cookie dough, which is such a fun thing to use to make cookies during the holidays. I personally am very thankful for cookie dough. So this one is called I Am Making Cookie Dough. So I'm gonna do it once by myself and then you guys are gonna get to do it with me, okay? So it goes just like this. Round and round the beaters go. Pour some flour from a cup. Stir and stir the batter up. Roll them, cut them nice and neat. Put them on a cookie sheet. Bake them and count 1, 2, 3. And serve them to your friends with tea. That was great. Okay, let's do it all together, okay? Has everyone got their fingers all ready and their arms all ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Round and round the beaters go. Pour some flour from a cup. Stir and stir the batter up. Roll them. Cut them nice and neat. Put them on a cookie sheet. Bake them and count 1, 2, 3 and serve them to your friends with tea. That was great, you guys. Okay, I had tons of fun with that, but now it is time for a story. So I'm gonna pass it off to Mr. Justin.
Hi friends, it's Mr. Justin here, and I want to share a story with you. Today's story is called Little Pea. And it's the perfect story for family and food story time because it's about a family of peas. Now, this is the story of Mama Pea, Papa Pea, and boop, Little Pea. Say hi, Little Pea. Hi. Now, Little Pea liked to do a lot of things. He liked to roll down hills. Whoop, 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 whoop. And he liked it when Papa would fling him off the end of a spoon. Boom! And Little Pea liked to hang out with his pea pals. And Little Pea liked to sing. La 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 la! Yep, Little Pea liked to do a lot of things. But one thing Little Pea did not like was, can you guess it? Candy. Blah. That's right. Little Pea did not like candy. Could you believe it? And when you're a pea, that's what you have to eat for dinner every single night. Yep. On Mondays, you have to eat Skittles for dinner. Ew. Yep. On Tuesdays, you have to eat Hershey's Kisses for dinner. Blah. On Wednesdays, you have to eat Twizzlers for dinner. Ew. And on Thursdays, you have to eat Nerds for dinner. Oh. And on Fridays, you have to eat Reese's Peanut Butter Cups for dinner. And on Saturdays, you have to eat Twix for dinner. Bah. And on Sundays, you have to eat stripy candy for dinner. Bah. And that was Little Pea's least favorite. Now, Papa Pea would say, if you want to grow up and be a big, strong pea, you have to eat your candy. Little Pea. And Little Pea would say, oh, If you don't finish your candy, Mama P would say, then you don't get any dessert. Aww, how many pieces of candy do I have to eat? And Mama P would say, 5. 5 pieces of candy. 5 pieces of candy. 5 pieces of candy. Can you help me count 5 pieces of candy as little P eats them? Are you ready? All right, let's start. Here we go. 1. Blah. Oh, little P, I'm sorry you don't like candy. Good job. That was 1. Are you ready? All right. 2. Oh, good job, little P. All right, that was 2. Are you ready? What's next? 3. Oh, good job, little P. You did it. You ate it. That's so good. All right, that was 3. How many? What's next? What? Oh, 4. You ready? 4. Oh, good job, little P. Guess what? The last one. Can you say it with me? 5. Oh, blah. 5 pieces of candy. Yay! Now can I have dessert? Now can I have dessert? Yes, said Mama P. Now you can have dessert. Little P couldn't wait to see what it was. What can it be? What can it be? I'm so excited for dessert. What can it be? And you know what it was? Spinach! Little P's favorite. And he gobbled it up in 3 big bites. And licked the plate clean. Yum, yum, extra yum. Little P ate every single bite. And Little P, Mama P, and Papa P lived happily after. Yay! The end. And that's the story, Little P by Amy Krauss Rosenthal. Thanks for listening, friends.
All right, everyone, let's do a rhyme about food. And this is about one of my favorite foods, which is popcorn. So I'm gonna need you to put your hand on top of your other hand right here. This is gonna be our popcorn pan. And it's gonna go something like this. Ready? Popcorn, popcorn, sizzling in the pan. Shake it up, bam, bam, bam. Popcorn, popcorn, now it's getting hot. Shake it up, pop, pop, pop. You guys did such a good job with that. Do you want to try it again? Let's do it. Okay, let's get our pan out. Popcorn, popcorn, sizzling in a pan. Shake it up, bam, bam, bam. Popcorn, popcorn, now it's getting hot. Shake it up, pop, pop, pop. You guys did such a good job with that. Oh, do you know what I love even more than popcorn though? If you said crafts, you were correct. So this week we don't have an official craft because at the library we're doing a craft cornucopia where you can pick up the materials to do not 1, not 2, but 3 Thanksgiving themed crafts. So you can pick these supplies up at the children's department this week until Wednesday because we are closed Thursday and Friday for Thanksgiving. So come grab some craft supplies and do some super fun crafts. Now that is about all for our story time this week, and actually this is our very last week of story time for the year, so this is our very last Off We Grow. So we've loved telling you guys stories this year, and we can't wait to be back in 2021 for some more story time fun.
Bye, everybody!
This story time is brought to you by the Hoover Public Library.